There it is. Second quarter is up. There it is. What are we looking at here? We've got Brett, Chris, Darryl. Brett, Chris, Darryl, Troy. What else we got? Don. Corey. Don, Corey, John. What else we got? How's everybody doing? Troy, Don, Bob, Jeremy, and Ronnie. I'm just tagging everybody. Give me a sec. Darryl, Jeff, and I think that's it. There you are. Everybody's tagged to it. Same case as before. Second part for the first half. There's 5 of them. All right. There you go. There's 5. Gloves, and you get the sleeves out. There you go. We got people that are loud outside, so I might have to say something if they get too crazy. Alright, team-wise, in the second quarter of Allure, we've got Brett Ross with the Ducks, Chris Lee with the Coyotes, Darryl Rideout with the Bruins, Trevor Huber's got the Sabres, Don Whalen the Flames, Hurricanes Troy Huber along with the Blackhawks, Avalanche Don Whalen, Corey Carell Blue Jackets, Don Whalen the Stars, Bob Surtek got the Red Wings, and he has the Oilers, the Panthers Don Whalen, Jeremy Kunkel's got the Kings, Bob Surtek has the Wild and the Canadiens, Corey Carell has the Predators, Trevor Huber's got the Devils and the Islanders, Bob Surtek has the Rangers and the Senators, Don Whalen's got the Flyers. Am I right? No. Brett Ross has them. I'm sorry. He's got the first 2. So Brett Ross has the Flyers in this. Penguins is Ronnie Rust. Sharks is Brett Ross. Darryl Rideout's got the Blues. Jeff Casillas has the Lightning. Don Whalen the Maple Leafs. Trevor Huber's got the Canucks. Troy Huber's got the Golden Knights. Corey Carell's got the Capitals and the Jets. And that's how the second one plays out. Yeah, I don't think you do. Did I say you did? I'm looking through. I don't think so. Now, you did have the Stars in the last one. John. No, I don't see you. Yeah. Not this one, but there's spots still open in the third and fourth. Not many. It's getting there. Let me get these gloves on, and we will break open the next 5. And then I'll work on the third one. I don't think there's many. Maybe 2 fillers would probably wipe it out. Let me move this up here. I don't want to battle with this the whole time. Put that there where I can see it. And let's get ripping. All right, here we go. Box 1. Let me pull this back a little bit so I don't fight it. Alright, here we go. Good luck. There's the sleeves, there's the top loaders. Alright. First pack, we have... Alright, we got a Belzile rookie for the Canadians. We got a Nico from the Devils, Black Rainbow. Pekka Rinne iced out insert. Blue Alexiev, Capitals rookie. And 2 base cards. There's your first pack. Eichel, then we've got a Connor Ingram Red Rainbow Grand Entrance. That's kind of cool for the Predators. Then we've got a Jonas Johansson. That's a double rainbow for the Sabres. That's pretty cool. And then we've got Broberg from the Oilers, blue rookie. Robertson, Stars rookie, base card. Base Flyers, Ettinger, Black Rainbow from the Stars. Philip Broberg, Grand Entrance for the Oilers. Hakanpää, Ducks, blue rookie. There's the Petrio rookie for the Canucks, and Bellows for the Islanders. Plenty of rookies. We got Alexiev, Capitals rookie. We got Anderson, Kings rookie. And Velarde, Kings Red Rainbow rookie. That's pretty cool. Then we got a Nico Diagnostics insert for the Devils. And we've got Bodine, Blackhawks, blue rookie. And then a base card. Two base. Smetnikov, Black Rainbow. And there's our steel. These are cool. There's like 1 per case from what I'm seeing. Or 1 per inner case maybe. There's Likens from the Blue Jackets. Steel parallel. There it is, steel. That's pretty cool. And then we go to Mikey Anderson, blue rookie for the Kings. We're getting a lot of Kings in this pack. Kucherov, Nico, and Ettinger rookie for the Stars. Jake Evans, Canadians. Bennington, Gallagher, and then we got a Martin Jones orange slice for the Sharks. I think the Sharks was Brett Ross, if I remember right. And then we have Morgan Geeky, Canes Grand Entrance. What is this? Zagadulin rookie for the Flames. That's a blue one. And 2 base cards. And this should be our autograph. through these first. There's Geeky Blue, rookie for the Canes. Delandria, Stars rookie. Carter Hard, Horvat. And we got Panarin, Black Rainbow for the Rangers. And Shane Bowers, Red Rainbow Auto for the Avalanche. There you go. I think that's Don Whalen got that in the last filler. Avalanche. So the Avalanche get the first autograph in this. What else we got? Soderstrom rookie. Connor McDavid, Red Rainbow. That's pretty nice. Oilers. Liljegren, iced out. Sen, Devils Blue rookie. Krebs, Golden Knights. And that wraps up box 1. Here comes the second box. Box number 2. Is this upside down? What's going on here? Scheifele, Marner. There's Svechnikov, Black Rainbow. I think that's our second one. Nick Robertson, iced out, Maple Leafs. Kaut from the Avalanche, Blue rookie. Delandria, and that's it base-wise. Oh, they're like upside down in the back. That's weird. Velarde rookie for the Kings. Yossi. Red Rainbow. Kravtsov from the Rangers. Hellebuck. There you go, Corey. Green Quartz for the Jets. That's number 99 out of 99. I always like it when you get the ends. That's cool. Going to the Jets. And then we have Jake Evans, Blue rookie for the Canadians. And they flipped them again. Weird. Krebs again. And base cards. Panarin, Rangers, Black Rainbow. Bowers, grand entrance for the Avalanche. Joseph Wall, Maple Leafs, Blue rookie. And there's Mikey Anderson from the Kings. We're seeing a lot of Kings rookies so far. We'll end up getting a good Kings auto here. Kravtsov rookie for the Rangers. There is Zach Parise. Is that the one everybody's looking for? I don't know. I don't think it is. Diagnostics. That's the Wild. And we got another one of these. Cale McCurr. We had one of these in the first 5. It's a rainbow for the Avalanche. City Selly. That's cool looking. Pretty sure that's Don Whalen getting that. McMichael from the Capitals, Blue rookie. Quinn Hughes, Draisaitl, and Alexiev for the Caps. We got McCurr. There's Byram from the Avalanche. Black Rainbow rookie of Delandria for the Stars. And there is Igor Korshkov for the Maple Leafs with a red rainbow jersey card. There you go, Don Whalen. I think we got one of them in the first one, didn't we? I think it was the same card. And then DiPietro, Canucks Blue rookie, and base. It's so weird how they have like the last 3 cards flipped upside down in this. Alright, what do we got here? Crosby, Brown, and Bodine for the Blackhawks. Then we got a Korshkov, red rainbow rookie for the Maple Leafs. And Kaut, grand entrance for the Avalanche. We got Entwistle, Blackhawks blue rookie. And Jake Evans from the Canadians. Chuck and Malkin base. Carter Hart, black rainbow. Flyers, and we got our autograph here, and it is, wow. Wow. Quinn Hughes, red rainbow autograph for the Canucks. Awesome hit there. Quinn Hughes. Quinn Hughes, and nobody's watching. Who's got the Canucks? Hang on, real quick. Canucks would be... Oh, it's... Trevor gets that one. There you go, Trevor. Quinn Hughes. I know he's at a pretty cool bar. I saw his pictures up earlier. Connor Ingram, blue rookie for the Predators. Trevor, did you see that? Quinn Hughes, Canucks, you got him. Pennington, Larkin, and Matthews base. That's a nice one. You're not into hockey, that's a nice one. You definitely want that one. Price, there's Liljegren, Maple Leafs rookie. The Brincat, black. Hawks, red rainbow. We got Malkin from the Penguins, iced out. And there's Jonas Johansson, Sabres, blue rookie. And 2 base cards. That's 2 boxes done. Still a few teams left in the other 2 quarters. Not many. I'm getting pretty cheap. There's some pretty cool autos in this. Alright, what do we got? Francouz from the Avalanche. 2 base cards. We got a Van Riemsdyk from the Flyers, black rainbow. Svechnikov, Hurricanes iced out. Olivier Joseph from the Penguins, blue rookie. And Jake Evans, rookie from the Canadiens. Zamula, Flyers rookie. Lucas Carlson, red rainbow rookie for the Blackhawks. Benson, that's a double rainbow for the Oilers. That's pretty cool looking. So we have double rainbows for the Sabres and Oilers. And then you got Angelo from the Pirates and Penguins. Blue rookie. And Bennington. I do too much baseball. They just run together. That one's the one I always have trouble with. I always say Pirates instead of Penguins. Liam Foudy, Blue Jackets. Jake Evans, rookie, black rainbow for the Canadiens. Connor Ingram, grand entrance for the Predators. And Peyton Krebs, blue rookie for the good old Vegas Knights. And there's Geeky for the Canes. Harley for the Stars. And there's Krebs Orange Slice rookie for the Golden Knights. I know that's going to Troy Huber. Nice die cut card there. And then we go to Diagnostics, Nick Suzuki for the Canadiens. Insert there. And then we got Ettinger, blue rookie for the Stars. And a couple of base cards. Koroshev, Blackhawks rookie. Bennington, Blues, black rainbow. And then we've got ourselves a NHL Shield parallel again. These are pretty cool. We have the Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. I don't know why I'm not seeing that right. And that's Jeff Casillas, 16 out of 17. That's a 1917 NHL Shield parallel for the Lightning. There you go, Jeff. That's cool. Number to 17. And then we've got Nick Robertson, blue rookie for the Maple Leafs. Korshkov for the Maple Leafs, and McDavid. Be cool to get a McDavid auto. Base, Chabot for the Senators, Red Rainbow. Foudy, Grand Entrance for the Blue Jackets. Alexander True for the Sharks, Blue Rookie. And McMichael, Rookie for the Capitals. Here's our autograph. In the third box, this is our 8th of the case. Velarde, Kings, Rookie. Yossi, and we got Brennan Gallagher. Black Rainbow for the Canadians. And there's your Kings auto. Jeremy. Dustin Brown. Red Rainbow auto. Kings. There you go, bud. Kings are on the board with an autograph. Nice. Byram, Rookie. Blue for the Avalanche. And Bowers for the Avalanche, Rookie as well. And our final pack of the third box. That's off, Rookie for the Rangers. Iced out Miro Highs Cannon for the Stars. Is that a cracked ice? No. That's a normal one. But this one is. This is a rainbow version of it. Same guy. Same card, but a rainbow parallel. And that's Highs Cannon for the Stars. And then right after that, we've got Jason Robertson, the Stars. 3 straight Stars cards. And 2 base, and that wraps up box 3. Here we go to the 4th. Got a nice Quinn Hughes auto so far. What else are we going to get? We'll find out. 16 more packs. Here comes box 4. Good luck. Vasilevsky, Lightning, Black Rainbow. We got Harley from the Stars Grand Entrance. Kiefer Bellows, Islanders Rookie. Blue. Nick Robertson, Maple Leafs. And 2 base. Byram, Avalanche Rookie. Murden, Red Rainbow Rookie for the Jets. Going to Corey Carell. We have Soderstrom, Blue Rookie for the Coyotes. And Josh Norris of the Senators. And then we have a double rainbow. Ty Dellandrea of the Stars. Stars have gotten quite a few here in the last couple packs. Dustin Brown, there's Bodine, Blackhawks Rookie. Belzile, that is a Canadians Black Rainbow Rookie. Cal McCurr, City Selly insert for the Avalanche. Gage Quinney Rookie, Blue for the Golden Knights. And 3 base cards. Chuck Hurdle and Malkin base. Barzal, Red Rainbow for the Islanders. Hagel, Grand Entrance for the Blackhawks. Shane Bowers, Blue Rookie for the Avalanche. Jason Robertson, Stars Rookie, and there is a base card. Price, there's Liljegren, Maple Leafs Rookie. Another base Mark Stone. And then we got Steven Stamkos, Black Rainbow. And oh, we got a Lafreniere. Is that a double? No. That is definitely something different. It's like a refractor rookie. Is it a red rainbow? It doesn't say anything. It just looks, definitely is maybe an SP. That's a sweet one. It's definitely different than a regular rookie. It's a refractor version. Let me look here. There's no number. It's not numbered and it doesn't tell you what kind. It's just a refractor. You can see it, see? So Lafreniere gets one there. There's Velarde from the Kings, blue rookie. And DePietro from the Canucks. Oh, is it? No kidding. So that one is. That's awesome. So Bob Surtak gets that bad boy, right? He'll be happy. There he is again, the Frenier rookie. Yeah, totally different. Yeah, you're right. Tavares. There's an orange slice Bo Horvat. Going to the Canucks, which is you, Trevor, I believe. You saw that Quinn Hughes auto. That's pretty awesome. There's Bo Horvat, and then I'll just sleeve this guy right up in the front of here. Base rookie. And then we have Brent Burns from the Sharks Diagnostics. I pulled a pretty cool auto of him a long time ago. It's a gold Sharpie auto. There's Dellandrea. I remember it was numbered to 5, I remember. And it was in an encased casing right out of the box. I forget which one it was in. It might have been encased, actually. Cout rookie for Avalanche. Anders Lee, Black Rainbow. And our autograph is going to the Canadians. Jake Evans, Red Rainbow rookie auto. I believe that's Bob Surtak as well. He's starting to pick up some hits. Oh, I snapped it. And there you go. Canadians, Jake Evans, Red Rainbow auto. Fix this. There we go. And then we have a Liljegren, blue rookie. Bellows, Islanders rookie. And 2 base cards in our final pack of the 4th box. Takes us to 9 going in the case. Master case. We've got Gallagher and Vasilevsky. Nick Robertson, Red Rainbow rookie for the Maple Leafs. Krebs, grand entrance for the Golden Knights. Kurashev, Blackhawks, blue rookie. Ettinger, Stars, and the other 2 are base. And here we go to box 10 to finish off our inner case of Allure. And that's that. Alright. 8 packs to go. Belzile, rookie. Soderstrom, Coyotes, Black Rainbow, rookie. There's Lafreniere, iced out. That might be the first time we've pulled that card. There you go. Iced out Lafreniere. And then we've got Carlson, blue rookie for the Blackhawks. Dellandrea from the Stars. We get a lot of Stars. Lee, there's Soderstrom rookie for the Coyotes. And there is a Thomas Harley Stars, Red Rainbow grand entrance. And what is this? This is a blue grand entrance of Morgan Geekie of the Canes. That's pretty awesome. That's more of a rare hit. Let me throw that in the sleeve. I don't pull too many of them. I think we've only gotten 2 of them in all the boxes we've opened. Blue grand entrance for Geeky of the Canes. And then we've got Birdine, and then Krebs again. Konechny, Flyers, Black Rainbow. Kiefer Bellows, Islanders, Grand Entrance. Alexiev, Capitals, Blue Rookie. And the rest are base. Tyler Benson, Rookie, Oilers. Ryan O'Reilly from the Blues, Red Rainbow. Selly City, Kuznetsov, Capitals. Insert. And then we've got Broberg from the Oilers, Blue Rookie. Mikey Anderson for the Kings. And on to the next one. We're halfway done. The final box. Let's see what we're going to get. Francouz from the Avalanche. John Gibson from the Ducks, Black Rainbow. And there is Liam Foudy. Blue Jackets. Rookie Red Rainbow jersey. That's cool. Blue Jackets. Then we've got Hankappa. Blue Rookie for the Ducks. And Draisaitl. Alright, I'll work on it. What is this? We got Zamola, Flyers. Alexiev, Red Rainbow Rookie for the Caps. We got Thurkoff, Grand Entrance for the Blue Jackets. Bodine, Blue Rookie for the Blackhawks. Alexiev, Rookie for the Caps. And Eichel. And that's our autograph. We're finished with the autograph. We're not far away from doing the other half. We'll probably knock that out tomorrow sometime. Marching. There's Carter Hart. Orange Slice. Nice. Flyers. Orange Slice Carter Hart. That looks pretty cool. I remember getting his rookie autos a couple times. And there's Mantha iced out for the Red Wings. Zach Doolin. Flames, Blue Rookie. I'm probably messing his name up. And there's for your base. And here's our final pack with the autograph. What are we going to pull to end it? Strong. There's Foudy Rookie for the Blue Jackets. We'll go here. We'll go Mikey Anderson, Blue Rookie for the Kings. Jake Evans Rookie for the Canadians. Tyler Benson, Black Rainbow Rookie for the Oilers. And we're going to end it with the New York Islanders. Sorokin. Red Rookie Auto. First time I'm seeing him in Islanders. Sorokin. There you go. Red Rainbow Auto. Cool. So there's your first one for the recap. You got a Carter Hart Orange Slice for the Flyers. We've got a blue Grand Entrance for Morgan Geekie of the Hurricanes. Lafreniere iced out. We've got a Jake Evans Red Rainbow Auto for the Canadians. We got a Lafreniere Rookie. We got a Bo Horvat Orange Slice for the Canucks. Look at that one. Lafreniere SSP Rookie. There you go. I think that's Bob, right? We got an iced out Rainbow for the Dallas Stars Highs Cannon. Dustin Brown Red Rainbow Auto for the Kings. We got a 1917 NHL Shield of Kucherov, numbered 6 out of 17 for the Lightning. We got an Orange Slice Peyton Krebs of the Golden Knights. We've got a Quinn Hughes Red Rainbow Auto. That's a nice one, too, for the Canucks. Is that numbered? No, it's just a red rainbow auto. There's a rainbow Kale McCurr from the Avalanche City Selly. We got a, what is that in there? That's not anything more than just, that's not a mark on the card. It's actually on the inside. I'll have to take that out and get rid of it. It's like a little piece of, here, let me just do it. See, it's still in there. It's a piece of plastic. I'll just get another one. How about that? There you go. Connor Hellebuyck. There you go. Green quartz, number to 99 for the Jets. And we got a Shane Bowers Avalanche rookie red rainbow auto, and a Martin Jones orange slice for the Sharks, and a steel Merzlikens for the Blue Jackets. And then we have Liam Foudy red rainbow rookie jersey, and a Igor Korshkov for the Maple Leafs red rookie jersey. And then all cards shipped, so you'll get all these, and you'll get all those. All cards shipped. And there you go. There's our first inner for the second case. Oh, all right. I think there's not that many left in the second half, so we'll work on that a little bit. Maybe I'll throw a filler up before I hit the hay later. I'll be up a little bit yet, maybe another 45 minutes or so. But cool, appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Have a good rest of your night, and I will talk to you probably tomorrow. We will see you later. Have a good one.